Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a green and gold eyeliner tutorial. Just something I felt like doing using the Revolution Chilled palette. But first, I need to do my face, so we'll be right back. Let's try this transition. Bam! Nailed it. Now, initially, I was going to film a behind the photo, so I had these eyeliners, I was looking at the palette, but my creativity in my brain wasn't working, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna just do an ombre eyeliner look. Let's start by priming. I am going to use a brush to put the product on my eyelid, and then I'm gonna blend it out with my finger. This is because I don't like the product to get stuck under my nails, and the pot's kind of like an awkward shape. You know what I mean. Once that's blended out, I'm going to go ahead and take this really matte color Relax as our base. I don't want the eyeliner shadows to be sticking to my upper lid. So I'm just sort of creating this nice barrier on top. We're going to take the Acapulco gold color. I stumbled there because it was a little difficult to say, as well as apparently I got it straight into my eye. Anyways, we're going to take this gold shimmer color and we're going to go from our inner eye a little bit past the middle of our eye. Then we're going to take Candyland, which is this beautiful green shade, and we're going to go from our outer eye and a little bit past our inner eye. So that way the middle section is this nice, beautiful blend between green and gold. I don't know why my camera got so bright there, and I don't know why it's so dark here, but it fixes itself. Lastly, we're going to take the shade Mist, and we're just going to do the wing tip. The shades blended really seamlessly, and I was feeling it. I thought it looked really good. I went ahead and sharpened up the lower portion of the winged liner, and when I was done, I loved it. I loved it. Hold on, I had to bring my emotions back in. I'm gonna go ahead and set it with some setting spray because they are shadows, they aren't liners, so there's a little bit of loosey-goosiness going on. Then I'm going to apply some false lashes. I don't usually do this, and I was struggling. After a bit of finessing with the eyelashes, I got them to a decent spot. I'm going to tight line with a brown waterproof Rimmel liner. And then let's bring you in closer because honestly, I loved it. I thought it looked so good. All right, zoomed in, we can see it was super simple and blended really easily. So the gold blended really nicely with that light green color and the light green with the dark green. It just tied everything together. I was just really impressed. I don't know what this little circle thing is that I'm doing, but anyways, I need a match to the other eye. And that's pretty much it. So we did a base color, a gold color, a light green color, and a dark green color. Easy, easy, easy. Ignore the lash band on my eyelashes. I don't know how to apply falsies. It's not really my thing. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. This is the final look. I applied a gray lip liner with a green gray lipstick. Came out really nicely. Oh my gosh, I actually love this eyeliner. The Makeup Revolution Chilled palette really came through for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all. If you guys could give this a like, maybe a share, maybe even subscribe and come back. I'm all about fast tutorials. Okay, bye. Thank you.